Okay, so we have our our parts all separated, and we were able to animate it and see that physically, it makes sense how we've separated the parts. But this looks a little long, like as far as like the distance between these parts. So um, when we go to pull it up in a drawing file, like in the isometric view, we might run out of space. So we can actually shorten these trails. We can actually shorten the distance that we've adjusted it. So if we go over here to the browser, open up Explosion One, and then you'll see like all your parts here. And if you open up the parts, you'll see. I'll just open them all up. You'll see where it says tweak. These are the distances that we've separated all of these. So the very first thing that we did was separate what the long post, and that seems to be fine. Like this down here, like it seems like we this is pretty decent. Um, but the next thing that we did was the short post link handle, the the handle post, and then the handle itself. You notice that here, like they're all separated the same distance, like because we moved those first all together, 109.854, or at least for me, that's what the distance was that I moved them. So yours may be a little longer or a little shorter, but what I'm going to do is adjust all these. And let me see if I can do them all at the same time. Control. I'm holding down Control and selecting all these values here. And then, no, that's not going to work. All right, let's do one at a time. Okay, so when I select one, I can come down here in this box and I'm going to type, let's see, I'll just go to 100 and see what that does. And then I'll go to this one, select 100. All right, and then this value here, 100. All right, this value here, 100. All right, which is still a little long. I'll tell you what, I'll start with the handle post and I'll go down to like 60. See what this does. All right, that's better. And I'll change everything else to 60. Um, and let's see. Um, oh, 60 and all right, 60. And then let's see for the link. This is a little further out, so I'll change this to like 55. All right. And then let's see what that gives us. Let's animate this. And this time we're going to do the intervals. If we choose less intervals, it's going to go faster. So I'll do, let's do 15 intervals. Let's do this. Let's try this. Boom, 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 boom. All right, let's cancel. Let's see if I can change the handle. Uh, let's see if I change this to 70. Actually, I'm going to change this to 40. Okay. All right. And then let's see the link. Uh, change this to 35. Okay. So one last time, run an animation. Here we got. All right, so I think I'll go with that. And let me save this. Yes, okay. All right, and so in the next video, what we'll do is we'll open up a drawing file and bring this exploded view into the drawing file, and then um, number number the parts and create a parts list, and that'll complete this.